Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating error code 0X80070570 on your HP Windows PC, you're in the right place. This error often pops up during Windows updates, installations, or when booting up, and it can leave you scratching your head. In today's video, we'll break down what this error means, why it happens, and most importantly, how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is error code 0X80070570? It's a Windows error that typically indicates a problem with file integrity. This means some files on your system might be corrupted, missing, or mismatched, which can halt processes like updates or installations. It's common on HP devices due to hardware-specific software interactions, but don't worry, it's fixable. Now, let's talk about the causes. This error often stems from corrupted system files, which could result from improper shutdowns, virus infections, or even faulty hardware like a failing hard drive. Other triggers include incomplete Windows updates, conflicts with third-party software, or issues with the boot sector. In 2025, with more advanced systems, we might see this linked to newer security features, but the core issues remain similar. Alright, onto the solutions. Start by running the System File Checker tool. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc scan now, then hit Enter. This will scan and repair corrupted files. If that doesn't work, try using the DISM tool. Enter DISM, Online, Cleanup Image, Restore Health. Next, perform a check disk scan by typing check disk C. FR to check and fix disk errors. If the problem persists, consider a system restore to a point before the error occurred, or even resetting your PC while keeping your files. For hydrogen phosphide-specific issues, visit the HP support website and download the latest drivers. Remember, always back up your data before making changes. By following these steps, you should resolve error code 0X80070570 and get your HP Windows machine running smoothly again. If you're still stuck, reach out to a professional technician. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you next time.